Hey, the old caddy man here with a great gift for Christmas. Yes, indeedy. Baba Josie's Kitchen. This is a collection of recipes from the Matsala family that has been collected for over 95 years of a lifetime and over almost 100 different friends and relatives. What they have done, they have put all these old recipes into a book that is just exciting. Our friend and business partner, Brent, north of the border, it's his family, and these recipes are fantastic. The old caddy man is going to be making some of these recipes for you in the upcoming weeks, so be prepared. But before then, please order this and send it to someone that you truly love. It's a special gift that they will cherish for years and years and years to come. Also, this is available on Amazon all over the world. So just go there and purchase one and get it sent out today. See you soon. Bye now.